say for themselves. Our hair is fluffy, our riffs are savage, and our tone is intense. If we could get away with it, we would wash less. But that's tricky when you live with your parents. One day, we shall be properly metal. We suspect there won't be many metal bands in this competition, but someone has to keep the faith. We are here for it, and you love it. Resurrection.
As he said, the name of our band is Resurrection. We're from Coleg Menai, and the car doesn't. Right, okay. Well, we just wanted to say thank you for this. This has been absolutely amazing, and we are the last band, so we hope you have enjoyed. Anyway, Rain, you know what to do. Go on.
Nobody touches us at all. Shout out, shoot out. Make me with it without it. And I gotta tell you what's I say. But let the word you out there let you say. But boys, we're back. We take the can't come back. You see us coming and you all together. Come on. We're taking over this town. Here we go. Reach for your gun and you better listen well, my friend. You see the nice sound down below. Ain't the chill with the cameras smell. It is done again, we want it. Talking no time, tails break up. I knew you're due. Gonna be out with the cameras smell. Oh, please a minute. Jurassic, but you better not take it out on me, cause your sound is found where your city used to be. So well done to sit too light. Shots fired to the we're inside from our double barrel 12 gauge. Can't lock me at your kind. You see us coming and you all together. Purple cover. We're taking over this town. Here we go. Reach for your gun and you better listen well, my friend. This is that sound down below. Ain't the chill with the commercial mouth. It is done again, we won. Ain't talking no time, tails break up. I knew you're with me out. Now much from here. Come on, everyone, come on! This next one's called Symphony of Destruction. Come on! You take a mortal man most people tend to roll. Take his pulse. Before the head explodes. Just like the Pied Piper. We dance like the marionette, sway to the symphony. Just like the Pied Piper, let us stand the strength. We dance like the marionette, sway to the symphony of destruction. The earth starts to rumble. The world powers fall. Oh, warning for the heavens. A peaceful man stands tall. Right. We've got one more song. This one, I'd say it's about all of us. We're all, this guy's nearly 20, but he's not yet. We're all teenagers, and that's what this song's about. They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they're gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They're gonna rip up your head, your aspirations to shreds, another cog in the murder machine. They say